MagVision glasses are making waves online with flashy advertisements that claim these high-tech glasses can magnify objects by 160%, improve visual clarity without a prescription, and comfortably fit over any standard pair of glasses. But are these bold promises too good to be true? Or is this the breakthrough we've all been waiting for? The idea sounds exciting, especially for those struggling with reading fine print or viewing distant objects. But when we dig a little deeper, the picture isn't as clear as the company wants you to believe. First of all, the claim of 160% zoom is not only vague, but lacks any scientific or ophthalmological validation. There's no evidence these glasses actually enhance magnification in the way a professional optical lens does. Many buyers also report that the fit isn't as universal as claimed, with some experiencing discomfort or awkward slipping when worn over prescription glasses. Another concern is the potential risk of people using these glasses as a substitute for proper eye care. Relying on a product like this without getting a proper eye exam could lead to worsening vision issues over time. On closer inspection, MagVision glasses appear very similar to low-cost, mass-produced reading aids available on various wholesale platforms, often rebranded and repackaged with slick marketing. The company behind the product doesn't provide much transparency either, with vague contact information, no clinical trials, and very few real customer reviews to back up the claims. In the end, while MagVision glasses might seem like a convenient solution at first glance, the product falls short of offering anything revolutionary or reliable. It's not a complete scam, but it's far from the game-changing eyewear innovation it pretends to be. Buyers should approach with caution and realistic expectations.